We got the Prius trailer. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Red Knee Outdoors YouTube video. I actually don't think I've ever made a hunting video before, and I don't know if I'm gonna make a video of this. So we're up in upstate South Carolina over by Clemson. It is so nice out here. It's like 65 degrees out, and yeah, we're hunting on this property and it's awesome. But I'm just showing you guys this like setup that they have at the Clemson shooting range. So we got like a skeet range here. It goes, there's 3 trap houses and, you know, 2 middle ones. And I gotta go show you guys the shooting range. It's a 100-meter or 100-yard shooting range. We at the place, but I guess we're like starting to go to our hunting spot, and we're gonna have to sit there for like 4 hours until the deer start moving. Ah. Home sweet home. Stretchy time. Heaven. They're closed. Second choice. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come in here and say one thing. So the biggest takeaway from this video is success is what you make of it. So sometimes it's not always with deer hunting that success would be that you get a deer. It would just be that you went out there and you enjoyed yourself. Even though it can get a little boring sitting in a stand for 4 hours. But I mean, you're out in nature and it's very peaceful. So I just wanted to put that in here, and thank y'all for watching.